And then the other thing I wanted to understand is you've touched on one or two metrics about scale at Endeavour. I think you mentioned 28,000 employees briefly. You may or may not have mentioned that. But I want to understand the scale of measurable, results of your efforts. What can that look like?
That is actually, it still today blows my mind, Tim. I mean, it is the immeasurable size of this organization, right? This year, we represent 40% of all retail liquor. Right, think about that.
40%.
40%, 60% of all e-commerce liquor.
Yeah.
Every month, 6 million Australians will interact with one of our brands. That's 1 in 4 Australians, right?
Right, okay.
So when you go to build something or design something, you've got to really think about the fact that, if you're going to build an algorithm for pricing VB better, right? 6 million customers are going to walk into your store and see that price. And that's either going to make them walk to the back and pick up that case, or it's going to make them walk out. That is very tangible. That's very real.
That could keep somebody awake at night.
It could keep someone awake at night, or it could keep someone really excited. Because you're not like doing something for 10,000 people or 1,000 people. You can't doubt the scale of what it is that we're building
and phenomenal.
How that touches Australian people in almost every single town in Australia. Literally, we have presence.
I know it's the fabric of Australian culture.
It absolutely is. So getting to work on those problems and think about how do we optimize the taps, right? Because the local manager at the pub might kill me at the Harlequin when I go there later. But, they make the best decision they can on which taps they should have. But how do we bring data science into that? How do we look at the demographics of the area? We're just near the Star, you get transient trade, which means you need a certain, different demographics at different times. What if we could change the taps by the hour to optimize based on the customers coming in, right? That's where we get to apply our field and our science to something that, like I said, 6 million people tomorrow will experience. And hopefully, if we do our jobs well, in a really positive manner.